ever had a very stressful day where you could not understand how to relax yourself and how to get yourself out of that situation? Then this video is definitely for you. In this video, I'm going to suggest you 4 important tips that will help you relax yourself after a busy, stressful day and will also make you feel happy about yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are healthy and safe. My name is Maitri Shah. I'm a content writer, content creator and a mindset consultant. I help people in aligning their life goals and building a focused and a happy mindset. Today's topic is suggested by someone from you, and the question was how to relax after having a stressful day. Well, isn't this so natural for most of us? We tend to become so much stressed because of our daily monotonous routine, work stress, family stress, and so many other stresses. There is no end to all the chaos that keeps on happening in our life due to expected or unexpected situations. Well, stress is a part of our life, but how to come out of that stress, how to relax yourself in your daily life is in your hands, and you can definitely come out of it. All for that, all you have to do is give a little bit of effort and make yourself believe that you can do this. Now, before I share the most important and the happy tips with you, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also please hit the bell icon. And if you like my content, then please make sure that you like, comment and share it with your friends and family members, because that will make me feel stress-free. Now, let's get you started. My very first suggestion, and which is very obvious but we often forget about it, is that after having a stressful day, after having a very busy day, please give yourself some me time. This is so important, but you might argue that I work until 10 p.m. How am I going to give myself me time? I have such a busy schedule, I have late night meetings, I cannot get up early. Well, that's on you. How you have to figure it out. If you want to have a relaxed day or a relaxed life or a future, then you have to make sure that you set out some time aside for yourself by giving yourself some me time. This can be done in any hour of the day. Now, why is it important? See, what happens is that when we get so much busy in our daily schedule due to work, due to studies, due to all the house chores, whatever it might be, we tend to forget the essence of our being. We tend to forget that who are we. We tend to forget that what do we like, what are we passionate about, what makes us happy. So it is very important to allocate that me time for yourself, where you will be only thinking about you and only you, not even work, not even family, not even your spouse, not even your boyfriend, or not even your studies. Nothing else should matter in that me time. In that me time, you are basically supposed to think about all the things that make you happy. You can either plug in a very soft and a beautiful music that you love listening to, that gives that positivity to yourself, that gives that energy to yourself. You can either plug in a music, you can either read a book, or you can just sit in your patio, in your balcony, or go on your terrace and just have a complete space for yourself. In that space, what is going to happen after a certain period of time, that you will be able to get aligned to your thoughts. You will be able to understand what is your inner peace, what is your happiness about, what do you love the most. And this process is going to definitely take time. But once you start spending few minutes with yourself, only by yourself, you will certainly start feeling more relaxed and more calm, because that time will be only about you. You don't have to worry about your child, about your husband, about your work, about your studies, or about anything else. You just don't have to worry about it. Of course, you can say that, Maitri, it will be so hard to skip all those thoughts and just focus. Well, it is definitely going to be hard. But for that, if you do this exercise patiently and consistently, you will slowly start getting aligned with yourself, and you will slowly start meeting the person that's residing inside you. That is the person who is going to bring so much happiness and so much calmness to your life. So please make sure that doesn't matter how you manage, but you at least take out 20 minutes for yourself, and that time should be perfectly your me time. This is going to help you a lot in relaxing yourself. Make sure that you try this out. My second suggestion is something that you're not going to like a lot, but if you follow it, then it is going to help your mind as well as your body. So the suggestion is that whenever you are stressed, make sure that you eat healthy and good food. See, what happens is that when you are stressed, you feel like eating a large bowl of chocolate ice cream or some cold drinks or a large packet of chips. You feel like just taking those things and sitting on the sofa and binge watching TV and eating all the unhealthy foods. This is very common for all of us. But what happens is that when you eat such unhealthy food, your stress hormones create a toll on your body, and that results into more and more stress. When people are stressed, they often complain that I don't have a good sleep, I couldn't sleep well, I had so many negative thoughts, my body was so restless. These things happen also because when you're stressed, you tend to eat unhealthy food. So everything together results into more negative effects than the positives. But if you start eating healthy and good food whenever you are stressed, what will happen? That your immune system will shore up all the stress hormones, and your blood pressure will be comparatively less, due to which your stress hormones will also start going down, and you will start feeling more relaxed and more calm as and when the time passes by. Of course, you have to give this thing a little bit of time to work for your body, but you have to make sure that you eat healthy and good food. You can have some fruits, you can have some roti sabji, dal chawal, you can eat something that you really love eating, but should be definitely healthy if you want your stress to reduce. Third suggestion is that make a transition. Change yourself. Now, how are you going to do it when you are very stressed? See, what happens that when, say for example, you are returning from office, you are coming back home, and if you're very stressed, if you're very angry, frustrated, sad, or whatever emotion you are going through, what are the chances that you might come home, you might just remove your shoes and you might just sit on the couch and turn on your TV rather than changing clothes or freshening up? You might feel like just sitting on the couch for hours and not doing anything else. Here the problem is that if you don't make a transition, if you don't push yourself for taking a quick shower or freshening up, changing clothes, if you don't do all those things, then what is wrong actually is that whatever stress you had in your office, in your work, or whatever stress you were going through, you carried that along in your house on your couch. So you are just coming home, but mentally you are not even at home. Mentally you are in your stress mode. So it's important that you motivate yourself to make a quick transition in your body by changing clothes, by freshening up, by having a glass of water, by having a glass of your favorite drink. Of course, not cold drinks or not something that is unhealthy, but having a healthy food. You just push yourself to do that little thing. Of course, you will say that, Maitri, it is really very hard to do all these things whenever you are stressed. Of course, it is hard, but you have to do it if you want to get out of it. If you want to be relaxed, then you have to give yourself that push to do few things for yourself to become relaxed. So make sure that whenever you are stressed, you try to make a transition. You might say that I'm working from home, still I'm stressed. Then of course you need to get out of that home environment. You need to get out of your office room and sit in some other corner in your house. And again, I would say that change your clothes, just make a cold splash of water on your face and do something like that which can really bring yourself out of that stress mode. Do this exercise. This might take a toll on yourself to get out of that chair, to get out of that couch and do something, but if you do it, it is going to certainly make you feel relaxed. My fourth and the last suggestion is that make your body active. Now, how can you do this? You can either go out for a quick 15 to 20 minute walk, you can do some exercise, you can meditate, you can dance with your spouse, you can dance on your own, you can do anything, but making your body active is very important. See, if you are working or if you are studying, then there are chances that for the entire day you might be sitting at your desk, you might not be moving your body, and so there are chances that your body might be very stressed and very lazy. Now, in order to get out of that stress mode, you again have to do something. You have to be active little bit. You might again say that whenever I'm stressed, I don't feel like going out, I don't feel like doing anything. You won't feel. That is the human tendency, that we attract negative thing, that when we are stressed we will attract more negative thing by being in that stress mode, by sitting on the couch, by binge watching TV, by having unhealthy food. That is our natural human tendency, because we people don't look at the positive side. We don't look at something that could really help us in being out of that stress mode. Instead, we always attract the negative. So in order to get out of it, do something that makes your body feel active. You can also do something that you love doing. Say for example, you like playing a sport, do that for 15-20 minutes. Do something that gives your body that kick, that gives your body that energy to be active for the rest of your day. This is really very important. As much as you hate doing all these things, if you start doing, you will start falling in love with all these practices, and everything that I have suggested is going to help you in a long run. It is not going to be like today you do and tomorrow you'll get results. No, you have to do it consistently. Whenever you are stressed, create a routine for yourself. That, say for example, if you're stressed today, make sure that you start following one routine that helps you get out of it, and once that routine starts working for you, follow it. And if you start getting bored of that routine, pick something new and then you follow it. Create a patterned habit in your life that can help you in being happy, that can help you in being relaxed, that can help you be stress free. So one free suggestion: please complain less whenever you are stressed. Instead, try working towards finding solutions of your problems or solutions of your stress. Try finding something that can help you get out of it. Otherwise, you will spend rest of your days, rest of your hours in just complaining rather than actively working towards getting a solution. So these were my 4 suggestions, and also a bonus suggestion for you to help you get out of your stress mode and turn into a relaxed mode. I hope that these suggestions were helpful, and I really wish that you guys follow this, or you guys at least try following it. If this video was useful, if the suggestions were useful, then please make sure that you like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you have any other suggestions, if you're trying any other activity that helps you get out of the stress mode, then please comment below. I would love to know what things do you guys implement in your life. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe and push yourself a little bit and be stress free.